want to make sure that Proximus continues to be a loved brand, we have to provide relevant services beyond connectivity.
How do diverse entities compete and collaborate to survive and evolve in a sustainable way? That's exactly what ecosystems are about.
I learned about ecosystems, which is often a winning strategy to build very successful companies.
Now with COVID, it is really a great way to network.
A critical success factor for any sustainable joint ecosystem is a crystal clear value definition for each individual partner from the very start.
We are going to use some of the design thinking methodologies that we often use to focus on the customer needs.
Great event. And I also found the breakup session lovely.
The structure enabled us to formulate a natural solution proposal that has been validated and approved by the customer.
It was a great workshop. I learned a lot about ecosystems within a very short time, and we were able to develop some ideas on very short notice.
I'm very eager now to see the outcome of the two winners and to dig further with them on how those opportunities could also build a new ecosystem, in particular on e-health and on the retailer model.
Proximus will definitely have learned something from us.
It was most interesting to see that the themes of health, sustainability and energy are so high on the radar of the participants. For those who couldn't make it, I would say stay tuned to see the ideas come to life in the future.
We had more than 100 active participants and they stayed on during the whole workshop. So we are really proud of this achievement.
It was a true pleasure moderating this event with ecosystem thought leaders.
I learned a lot. Thanks for inviting me and see you soon. Thank you.